If you've been trying to make money online, watching everybody else win on social media while you feel stuck in the same spot, stay right here because I'm running a free first sale bootcamp and I'm going to walk you step by step until you get your first online sale. And it's not going to be no theory, no overwhelm, no just work harder motivational speeches, just real steps, real structure, real results, even if you're brand new. And here's why this matters. You don't need to make 10K a month right away. I know Instagram makes you feel like you got to be driving a Tesla by tomorrow, but your very first sale is what changes everything, because that's the moment where you stop saying, I hope this works, and you start saying, I can do this. That one sale, at least it was for me, is proof. And once you know how to do it once, you can repeat it. Listen, I didn't start with a ring light and a fancy studio. I started broke inside Burger King using their Wi-Fi with my desktop computer plugged into the wall, trying not to look crazy while chasing a different life for my family. Went from that to multiple six figures with digital products and affiliate marketing. So trust me, if you feel behind, overwhelmed, or unsure, I've been there. And this bootcamp exists so you don't have to go through the confusion and stress I went through. So here's what we're going to be doing in this series. Phase 1, I'm going to help you get your first sale fast. Phase 2, we're going to turn that sale into a repeatable system. Phase 3, build momentum and confidence. And phase 4, we're going to scale with skills, not stress. Every video is going to have one simple step. Every action is going to be a real move forward. I built this bootcamp to be what I wish I had when I first started. So here's your starting point. Before we even talk about funnels or content or anything like that, I want you to commit to one thing. For the rest of this challenge, you're not going to quit on yourself. If you're tired, cool, rest. If you're confused, ask questions, and you can ask me in the comments. But quitting, that's not what we're going to be doing. Is this a deal? Good. So here's the first tool you're going to use. To make this super beginner friendly, your first sale is going to come from a done-for-you funnel I give you. Think of it like training wheels. I'm going to show you how to plug in your affiliate ID, show you how to send traffic to the link, and when someone buys, you get paid. You don't have to build anything yet. I just want you to see money hit your account as fast as possible. Then after that first win, we'll start building your product. But first, you're going to need a free, forever, easy, super simple software I love and use called System.io. Now, System.io is totally free, and here's why we're going to be using it. Because System.io has everything all in one place: the sales pages, the emails, and the checkout. Third, it lets you earn money first with zero upfront costs. I mean, they have a free forever plan. You can get started with $0. You don't even have to put in your credit card. Fourth, it's the easiest platform for beginners, flat out. And fifth, it scales with you when you're ready. So when you make money, you can invest that money into the software. Now, I've used ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Kartra, Go High Level, WordPress, Teachable, all of them. But for beginners, System.io wins by a mile. Now, we're starting with a done-for-you funnel so you can get your first sale fast without building a product yet, designing a website, needing tech skills, worrying about setup. I want you to feel that first win as fast as possible, because once you see money hit your account, confidence kicks in, and then we build your product and your brand. So it's like training wheels now and then independent success later. Now, I promise if you stay with me through this entire series, that by the end, you'll have a real link that pays you. You'll know how to drive traffic. You'll have daily action steps, and these are going to be super specific. I give you everything. And you're going to see how to create your digital product next. You'll even have a clear path to stay accountable and keep building long after these videos. And yes, many of my students go from first sale to 500, 1K, 5K, following the same system I'm going to teach you. So here are your action steps today. Create your free System.io account. Link's going to be down below this video in the description. Join the official Bootcamp email list, absolutely free. Link in the description. so you can get the daily steps in my scripts and my DM templates and the challenge access itself. And third, comment I'm in. If you're committing to do this for real, of course, that's your promise to yourself and this community. Now, tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to plug your System.io affiliate ID into your viral funnel. I'm going to show you how to unlock 40% commissions on every sale, how the exact first sale system works, and how to start promoting day one without being salesy. I mean, everybody hates that. You're not just watching videos, you're taking your first steps into digital income. Welcome to the First Sale Bootcamp. Let's go get your sales. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.